Hello, my dear. Good afternoon. Where are you?
Ở thôi. Ai như tôi sờ.
We will start. Hello, how are you today?
Bạn trò có thể xoay được.
How are you today? How are you today?
Quả trò, quả trò. Quả trò, quả trò.
What's that? How are you today?
Trò, quả trò.
Oh.
Ba chấm đi.
Did you go to school today? Did you go
Ba
to
chấm đi.
school today,
Một
my
thử.
dear?
Anh biết rồi, sĩ.
Hmm?
Sĩ vừa.
Did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's great. What did you learn?
Rồi có
What
khơi.
did you learn?
Biết không?
What did you learn today in your school?
No.
What did you learn from teacher?
No. Có kiếm gì?
You did not learn your teacher?
Đâu làm gì có kiếm. Cái ô mà. Này.
You did not
Sao con vật
learn
đi?
your teacher?
Ra sao
You
con
did not learn math, English,
con chó.
history? You did not learn
Đâu.
that?
Này.
What's that? What's that?
Đâu đâu. Hả?
What's that? Oh,
Cái dâu nhỉ?
what did you learn from school?
À,
What did you learn? Did you learn something to your school?
làm được mặt đằng tôi sẽ làm được.
What did you learn?
What?
What did you learn? What did you learn to your school?
Tôi nữa.
What did you learn? What's that? Okay, what did you learn to your school? Did you eat dinner? Did you eat dinner?
Yeah.
What did you eat?
I
What did you
eat
eat?
bean. I eat two bean.
What's that?
I eat two bean.
Tubin? What's that? What did you eat? What's that? What kind of food that?
Có súng, có bom.
What's
Chắc có
that?
làm. Thì có kiếm.
What
I
did
eat. Không biết ăn gì.
what did you eat?
I eat fish.
Okay, wow. Is it delicious? Is it delicious?
No. November.
Oh, who cooks your food? Why is
Nước
it
nhà
not
trâu nha.
delicious? Who cooks your food?
Nhà trâu, nhà trâu. Nhà trâu, ai đây? I am Kali. Kali bằng mông. Có Việt Nam đấy. Việt không? Có Kali không? À, có cờ Kali nè.
Who cooks
Việt
your
Tây cơ.
food?
Đâu? Bỏ tay.
Who cooks your food, my
I
dear?
eat Việt Nam kia.
Yes, you eat
Ở đây là
fish.
Việt
So
Nam.
who cooks your food?
Kia là Việt. Kia là Kali. Tôi vừa nhìn Kali.
What did you doing?
Nhưng mà nói đây là Việt Nam nha. Đây Kali đây.
Who cooks
Who
fish?
Kali. Đơn là
Who cooks your fish? Of course. Why is it not delicious?
I don't know.
Why? Why you don't know?
Because
didn't-
I don't know.
Because you don't know, you don't know.
Because I don't know.
You don't know, so because you don't know. You're funny.
Okay.
Oh, it have a
Yummy.
mosquito here. It has a mosquito. It has a mosquitoes here. Wait. Okay.
Have coffee. Langsung. Chưa. Nhưng là
What did you learn
đây là
from
bông
your school?
tim thật.
What did you learn to your
Còn
school?
dao thật. Buồn nó bé như cái
You didn't learn from school today?
buồn thật. Nhưng có người đang nằm đây mà. No, no, no.
What did you learn? Do you have a homework?
No.
Why? Why no?
Because I don't have. Cho cô xem mà.
Yeah, okay. You have to say because I don't have, because I didn't have a homework. That's very great, my dear. What's that? Who's that? They did this. They did this. Oh,
This is dog.
dog. Can you please imitate her? Can you please imitate him?
Một đây chắc là không. Cô đã có biết đây là chó hay là gì?
Oh, why?
Chỉ cần
Okay, so are you ready for our class today?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. So today we will going to continue our last topic. Okay. Next. Okay, so what's this? What is this, my dear? What's this?
It's hat and scrub.
Good job, very good. Next. What's this? What are these?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know this?
It's socks and shoes.
Yes, very good. Good job. How about this one? What's this? What are these?
Mất kia.
What's that? Can you guess this one? What's this?
Come on, boys. Come on.
What is this? And this
It's I don't know. And stem. Stem. It's stem and I don't know. I don't know.
an envelope. This is envelope, my dear. You have to remember.
Envelope.
Okay, good job. How about this one? What are these? What are these, my dear?
Plane.
What's that? What's that?
It's brush and teddy bear.
What's that?
It is brush and I don't know.
You don't know this? This one, you have to do this one. What's this?
I don't know.
You have to do this one.
Cái bài con á.
This one, you have to,
I don't
Yes.
know.
okay. It's comb. Just like this. It's comb. Okay, how about this one? What's this? What are these? What are these? What's this? Can you see the picture? Oh, no. Okay. What's this, my dear? What's that? What's this? What are these? Can you guess this one? What are these? What are these?
Nghe là dùng được cả âm và dương.
What's that, my dear? What is this?
Bằng dương thì mất trừ.
Can you see this one? Can you see this picture? What's this? Oh,
Is knife and fork.
okay. Good job, very good.
Dao.
How about this one? What's this?
Bread and butter.
Good job. And next, what's this?
Fish and chips.
Good job, very good. And next, what's this?
Tubin and tubin. Wife and husband.
Good job, very good. How about this one? What's that?
Water and soap. Soup.
Okay, good job. Next, what's this? Can you see the picture? What's this?
Pepper and salt.
Good job, very good. And good job, my dear. Okay, next, let's practice. Okay, what is the first thing that I need? You need 225 grams. So, what's the first thing that I need? How much? What, my dear?
How much butter? How much gram of butter do you need?
Very good, my dear. You're a smart boy. Okay. Okay.
You need 225 grams of butter.
Next.
You need some butter.
Okay, what is your choice? A or an? You need what?
Some.
Yes. What will you choose? A or an? What you need? A or an? Some? Okay, you have to choose this one, my dear. Is it a or an?
No.
It's some. Your answer is some. Okay. How about number 3?
You need
You need what?
bag of
Bag of what?
bag of
Bag of what, my dear? You need a... Oh, there are siblings.
simply
No, it's not. They are not lover. It's they are siblings, my dear. You need what?
you are sleeping. Đâu từ đi. Có ai vào không?
What is your answer, my dear? You need what? Number 3. You need... Is it a plate or bag of butter? What did you choose? A plate or bag of? You need what? You need what, my dear?
Plate and plate.
You need
You
a butter. You need a butter. Okay, very good, my dear. So, can you please read the Holy's diaries, my dears? Order the pictures. Okay. Oh. Okay. So,
Em, dấu hiệu của tấm
okay.
Uzu
You
này.
have to read my diary, my dears, then order the pictures. Okay. So, can you please read the diary? Read Holly's diary. Order the pictures. Okay. This is the second, my dear. Can you please read this diary and then write the missing words? And then we can order the pictures based on Diaries of Holly. Okay, can you please answer, my dear? 16th March, Dear Diary. Can you please read and then answer? You have to choose your answer of this box. Okay? Start, my dear. Read the Diary of Holly. On Saturday afternoon, my best friend Katie came to my house and we did some cooking. We made pizza with olives on them and biscuits too. When we finished, the kitchen was very untidy and that made Mom a bit what? Can you please answer, my dear? A bit what? What's your answer? You have to choose this one in the box, my dear. This is the example. So number 2, what is your answer?
I don't know. I don't.
You have to choose here your answers.
know.
No. You have to you choose this one and the answer, my dear.
Don't know.
Why? You know this one. Okay. We finished the kitchen was very untidy and that made mom a bit what? Because of their kitchen was very untidy, so their mom a bit what? What is the feeling of her mom, my dear? Is it is it is it they she is happy, she is bored, or she is angry?
I don't know.
My dear, you have to choose the answer this one in here. Is it ill? Is it ill? Is it better? Oh. Is it delicious? Is it late? And that made my mom a bit hungry, wet, worried, angry, excited, noisy. What is your answer, my dear? And that a mom a bit angry because it's untidy. So, number 3. Then on Sunday, all the family went out for lunch. It was a surprise for Grandma's 18th birthday. Going to the restaurant made Harry and I feel very what? Is it ill, better, delicious, late, friendly, hungry, wet, worried, angry, excited, or noisy? What is their feeling about going to the restaurant? Harry and I feel very. What is their feelings when they go to the restaurant? Is it ill? They are very ill, very better, very delicious, very late, very friendly, very hungry, wet, worried, or angry, or excited, or noisy. What is their feeling, my dear? Harry and I feel very
I
what?
don't know.
They are
Oh
very
no.
excited, my dear.
We are way too early. Gonna find a dress. We walk the silence down the lane on the way. Let's.
Sweat, good job. Okay, how about number 5? Can you please read? Continue, my dear. But we did not mind because we had umbrellas. In the restaurant, we laughed and talked a lot, and I think we were a bit too noisy. That was because we had to wait a long time for our food. The smell of the pizza made us very what? What's this? Hungry. Then the food arrived. I had soup and I ate lots and lots of pizza too because it tasted delicious. Okay, number 8. But that evening, all those pieces of pizza made me made me ill because they eat lots of pizza so that they are feel or they made ill. This morning, mom took me to the doctor's. The doctor was very friendly. She gave me some medicine for my stomach and that made me feel better. But that meant I was a bit better, but that meant I was a bit late for school again and I felt worried about that. But when I got there, the teacher just said, no problem. Okay, can you please read, my dear? Can you please read only the diary of Holly?
There's theory on Saturday afternoon. My best friend Kathy come to my house and we did some cooking. We made pizza, sweet olives on them, and biscuits too. When we finished, the kitchen was very untidy and that made Mom a bit angry. Then on Sunday, all the family went for lunch. It was a surprise for Grandma. It's 80th birthday. Going to the restaurant much. Harry and I feel very excited. We can't wait to go. We don't often go to restaurant. You see, we walk to the restaurant and the rain on the way made us wet. But we didn't mind because we had umbrellas in the restaurant. We lost and talked a lot, and I think we were a bit too noisy. That was because we had to wait a long time for our food. The smell of pizza made us very hungry. Then the food arrived. I had soup and I ate lots of pizza too because it tastes delicious. But that evening and those pies of pizza made me ill this morning. Mom took me to the doctor. The doctor was very friendly. She gave me some medicine for my stomach, and that made me feel better. But that means I was a bit late for school again, and I felt worried about that. But I got there. The teacher just said no problem.
Okay, good job. Okay, very good, my dear. So, next topic for today, it's all about, again, it's all about, this one. Just wait. Okay. Okay, so lesson 4. Here's our lesson begins. Okay. So, flyers practice test. So you have to listen, my dear. And there is one example. Oh. Okay. Hmm. There is one example.
Listening 13. Listening 13. Flyers practice test. Listening part 4. Listen and look. There is one example. What time did the lesson start?
So, Betty, why are you late for my lesson?
Sorry, Mrs. Hall. I had to go to the doctor this morning.
Well, the lesson began at 10:15, and it's 10:30 now.
I'm sorry, but I had to see the doctor at 9:30, and then I came straight to school.
OK, Betty, but I'll need a letter from your mother.
All right, Mrs. Hall.
Can you see the tick? This is an example. Now you listen and tick the box.
Okay.
Listening 13.
Okay, my dear. Listen and tick the box. Oh, wait, my dear. Okay.
1. What is Betty making in her cooking lesson today?
Now, last week we did some good cooking and you all made some very nice pizza. I hope your families enjoyed it.
What are we going to make this week?
Well, it's biscuits this week. And then next week we're going to try making bread.
Can we take them home again, Mrs. Hall?
Yes, Betty, you can.
2. What should Betty get from the fridge?
Now then, Betty, the other children have got everything they need in front of them. So could you go to the fridge and get some eggs?
And do we need milk, Mrs. Hall?
No, not for these biscuits, Betty. Oh, but you do need a bit of butter. You'll find that in the fridge too.
Oh, okay then.
Okay, my dear. Number 1. What is Betty making in her cooking lesson today? Okay, I will reveal the answer. Oh, it's cook. What's this? What's this? What is this, my dear? What is this? What's this? What is Betty making in her cooking lesson today? What is the picture in letter B? What's this, my dear? What's this? Can you see this one? What's this?
Biscuit.
Oh, it's cookies. That is cookies, my dear. Betty making in her cooking lesson today is cookies. Okay, how about number 2? What should Betty get from the fridge? Letter A, letter B, or letter C? What is your answer, my dear? What is your answer? What should Betty get from the fridge? What should Betty get, my dear, from the fridge? What is your answer? Oh. Okay, it's, yes, very good. Butter and egg. Okay, next. You have to listen carefully again.
3. What does Betty need to do next?
Before you start, have you washed your hands, Betty? It's very important to have clean hands when you're cooking.
I did that before I came to class, miss.
Good. Now could you get a bowl from that cupboard over there?
Okay, Mrs. Hall.
And you need to write all the information about temperature and cooking times in your book. But you can do that later.
All right, Mrs. Hall.
4. What did Betty forget to do?
Did you remember to put some sugar in the bowl, Betty?
Yes, Mrs. Hall.
And a little bit of salt?
Yes, I did that too. But, Mrs. Hall, they don't look very brown.
Well, that's because you didn't turn the cooker on, Betty.
Oh, no!
Don't worry. You can cook them now and come and collect them later.
Thanks, Mrs. Hall.
Okay, my dear, what does Betty need to do next? What is your answer? Letter A, B, or C? Can you please tell me the letters? What does Betty to do next? It's letter A or letter B or letter C? What is your answer? Number 3. Can you please tell your teacher what is the answer? Is it A? Is it B? Or C? What's your answer? Can you please check your answer? Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Oh. Good job. Very good, my dear. How about number 4? What did Betty forget to do? Oh. She did not turn on this one, the fridge. Okay, my dear. That's all for today. And thank you for listening to me. And see you on what? See you
Monday.
on. Okay, goodbye.